Dear stamp collectors, stamp lovers and philatelic members, I've been collecting stamps of different countries. One of the countries is also India. Okay, I have a huge collection of Indian old stamps. I don't call it as rare, I call it as old stamps. I've got lot many and I have made into different albums. So I have got at least 3 to 4 albums of this. I have segregated some of the stamps and put it in the album. So I'm going to just view all this to you. Okay, I don't call this as a rare stamps, but these are all old stamps collections, old series. Before 1960 I used to collect. After 1960 also I collect, and I collected almost up to 2000. Afterwards there was some gap. Now I have restarted collecting it. Okay, now this is called as the Indian stamp series album. Okay. These are all general stamps. I don't boast it as rare, but very old stamps, at least 30 to 40 years old stamps, because I am already 72. So I've been collecting from 1960. That means when I was a small boy, I used to collect the stamps. From that time, all the stamps are collected. Okay. Now you can see I will not explain the character or the personality of the stamps. Okay. This is some of the few stamps what you can see over here. Now I will run through my album. Okay, you can just see all the stamps of India over here. Okay, I am just running through the album so that I will not explain. At least we will know how many stamps are there in this. Okay. As you see, most of the stamps are 1960s, 70s, 80s and 90s. Okay, all you can see here very clearly written 1978. So all are in that series only. I'll not be able to make it as one video. I'll make it as at least 3 to 4 videos of the Indian stamp collection. Okay. This is one of the dance series, as you saw. Nice dance series issued by Indian government. Okay. Go to the next page of the album. Yeah, you can see lot many. I think up to 2010 also you can find stamps here. Afterwards there was a gap, I did not collect the stamps. Then again I have started collecting the stamps now. Okay. It is not even in a sequential order. As and when I used to get Indian stamps, I used to put it in one album. So there is a marathon work behind in segregating these stamps and making it a different thematic collection of Indian stamps alone. I have already uploaded 34 videos in the YouTube in the name of B.N. Nagraj. Are made into different countries and are also made into thematic collections. I have put it as birds, locomotives, ships, fish, animals, sports, and so on and so forth. Not many subjects are there. And the recent one is on the buildings also. Okay. Now, country wise also I have made. I have put already very developed countries, European countries, and all Russia, Japan, China also have put the stamps. So nearly around 34 videos, as I said, have been uploaded. Okay, this Indian stamps also I will be uploading. Okay, these are vast collections of the Indian stamps. Okay, as I told, it's in a very haphazard manner. Not this thing. I'll go to the next page of the album. Okay, this is just to document the stamps also, because I myself do not know how many stamps are there. Nearly, as I've been counting, looks like I have got more than 15 to 20,000 stamps with me of different countries. Okay, almost in each album contains around each video contains around 250 to 300 stamps covering. Okay, like that, if you look at it, 35 to 36, that is if count around more than 1,000 stamps, 10,000 stamps put together. Okay, yeah, very old series. Now you can see this is almost Ramanujan stamp, old stamp. Okay, this is also, you can see, old stamps. Okay, I told you it is nothing, not even in a sequential order, but just putting it to the album. Okay, just for documenting, so I myself will know how many stamps are there with me, and to identify whether I have those stamps or not. Okay. Indian stamps to have a lot of value in a philately. There are some old stamp British India era companies. All these British era company stamps have made it into a separate video, and I have already uploaded in the YouTube. You can see British era period stamps in my channel. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. You can see all the stamp collections of mine. I have made it into chapter wise. Go to next page. I have made it into chapter wise, so each chapter you can take and then browse it. Nice stamp on Shakuntala. I'll make this Indian stamps into 3 or 4 parts of videos, because in one part I'll not be able to cover it, and I don't want to make my videos running for more than 10 minutes, because people will lose interest in seeing if it is more than 10 minutes. Okay. At every 10 minutes of my running the video, I'll stop and go to the next chapter of the stamps. Okay, now you can see some more stamps over here. Right. Yeah, some of the old stamps are also kept in here, but I have made a separate album for all those old stamps there. Okay, I have already shown that to you. Okay, right. Okay, now you can see some more stamps over here. I'll go to the next page of the album. Yeah, a Charlie Chaplin stamp is also issued by India government. Yeah, now I'll close at this and go to the next chapter. I'll make it as a part of this, and I'll cover the rest of the stamps in the next video. So if you have liked this part of Indian stamp, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Right? Okay. I'll stop at this page and I'll go to the next page in my next video. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you for viewing my video.